everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be showing you how I got this sleek bun over my 2-strand twist, okay, because I have starter lock. Also, we are doing a burger bar, so I am going to let you go along with me to my kitchen to show you how I use my indoor grill to grill up some burgers and create a burger bar. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, you guys, so to get this ponytail or to redo my ponytail, I'm just going to take the ponytail holder out. You can still see my twist and my locks here. Most of them are still in. It's just my edges that's been coming down. Normally I would retwist them, but I chose to put a ponytail in because I needed it for an event. So I reactivated the gel with some water, and then I went ahead and used a little bit more of eco gel just around my edges, just to get my ponytail nice and neat, so I can brush it all up and put a ponytail holder on it. And then I'll just go around again and just make sure that everything is just brushed up and gelled up. Not using too much gel. I do not like to use a whole lot of product at all. So I'm going to use my scarf just to tie it up and let this sit while I go ahead and prep my burgers. Okay, so to prep these burgers, I want to first marinate them. So I am going to actually use some Goya Mojo. So I am going to go ahead and put that on my burger patties here, along with some seasoning and some liquid smoke as well. Because I'm using an indoor grill, I needed to have that smoke flavor, so I used liquid smoke. I didn't have enough patties. There's 5 of us here in the household. My kids can eat probably 2 burgers apiece, so I am pulling out a roll of ground turkey, and I seasoned that with the same thing, with the Mojo, with the seasoning, some garlic powder, and some smoked sauce, or some smoke seasoning. I don't know, it's liquid smoke, okay? I don't know what I was just saying. But anyway, so I sliced up some red onions, and I added slices to the patties, and I chopped some up to put in my bowl, and I covered both of them up and just popped them in the fridge. You guys, we're gonna let those sit while I cut up the vegetables that's going to go on top of our burgers, or that we're gonna have out as options for our burger bar. Okay, so also, besides the vegetables that we're having and the cheese, of course, to go on the burgers, we are also going to have some bacon. So I am just going to go ahead and cook some turkey bacon. Okay, my last video, a bunch of people came on. It was like, oh, that's not bacon, that's bacon. No, it's just turkey bacon, you guys. We don't eat pork in the house, so we have some turkey bacon. And that's what we're going to use to put on the burgers, and they are still going to be the bomb. Okay. Okay, so now that we have everything prepped, my hair has set for a couple of hours. I prepped the burgers, or the stuff for the burgers, in other words, and prepped the burger meat. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this hair. This is the same bun I used before. It's just a bunch of twisties. I just got a pack of braiding hair and tied it onto a doorknob and made a bunch of twists. Alright, and so I put a hair tie on the end of it, and I'm just going to use this to place it right on top of my ponytail and go around once just to secure it. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the hair, all of these twisties that's twisted up, and wrap it around to create a bun. Okay, so as I'm twisting this last piece, I am going to go up in sort of like a beehive, and I am going to be using some bobby pins to secure the hair, or to secure the bun, and I'm also using my hands to shape it the way that I want it and how I want it to look. There's, of course, we know there's many ways of wrapping up a bun, but this is the way that I am wrapping this particular bun. I don't want it too high and I don't want it too low. You guys, one time I had a bun that was like too high, that every time I got into my vehicle, it would just like hit the top of the ceiling in the vehicle. It was so inconvenient and not fun. It wasn't fun at all. Okay, my jazzy people, that is it for my bun. I'm just gonna finish securing it with a few bobby pins, and then I will see y'all in the car because, of course, as a busy mom of 3, I am always on the go. Sometimes when I am trying to just adjust to my starter locks, because a lot of people see that as the ugly stage, I'm trying to embrace it by just doing other things. Because your hair is just not locking, it's puffing up at the roots, untwisting. It's a struggle, but I still got my twist in, as I showed y'all earlier. Just decided to gel up what's untwisted over these last couple of weeks. I'm into this weekend when I actually wash my hair to try to keep some of the twists in without having to retwist everything all over again, and to keep my parts intact. Alright, so see y'all in a second. Okay, you guys, so I have heated up my grill, and then I have this burger presser that I bought. I'm really excited about it because I usually pat it myself. So you kind of like just put the burger inside and then push it down with this knob, right? And it creates these perfect size burgers. Okay, y'all, so I could not find my spray, my cooking oil spray. So I am using a brush and some olive oil to just grease up my grill. I can't wait for I ordered like this spray bottle from Temu, which holds olive oil and it sprays it out like a mist. Oh, it's gonna be so fun. Okay, so this burger smasher is so cool. So you can just like make nice brown burgers, like just like how you get the patties, pre-patty, but of course smaller. Or of course you could just ball up your burgers and put it on the grill like I just did this one, and smash it down. So I am just gonna try to fit as many burgers as I can on this grill because I don't want to be sitting here cooking forever. I do have two. I could have popped out the other one and just simplified it, but between the two of them is not for me, okay? Not for Jazz. So the nice thing about this grill is that it doesn't take long to cook. Okay, so you can see that they have already actually started cooking even with my lid up. So they had to cook about 5 minutes on each side, and they are going to be just perfect, not dried out or anything. So I'm just going to flip them over to let them cook for the other 5 minutes, and then we are done and just ready to go eat and chill. Probably watch Medea. We love watching Medea. Okay, so do you guys also re-season your meat? It just tastes so much better just putting some extra season on some already cooked food. That's what I just did. Guys, we are all done cooking this. Everything was so good. So, of course, we had to put some buns in the oven. Okay, so we have some burger buns here and some pickles, some lettuce, some iceberg. I normally don't do iceberg, okay? Only for burgers. Some tomatoes, and those are Roman tomatoes or whatever. Some cheese, American and pepper jacks. Because my kids are extra, I had to put some onions on the grill for them along with the bacon and the burgers. I have some homemade and some patty burgers because I ain't have enough patties. And I also have some potato tots. And we're going to be using some Duke's mayonnaise today. We usually use real mayonnaise. We're using Duke's today. Alright, you guys, so that's it. See you later. We're going to make some plates. We're going to eat, and I will see you.
Did this for